Struggling to stay focused and manage your time effectively? Learn how time blocking can help you boost productivity and stay on track today on SkillSprints. Welcome to SkillSprints, where we help you tech your way to the top. In this video, we'll explore time blocking techniques to enhance your focus and productivity. Hi, I'm Evelyn with SkillSprints. We'll use Google Calendar to demonstrate these techniques, but you can apply them to any calendar program you prefer. Let's get started. Time blocking is a time management method that divides your day into blocks of time. Each block is dedicated to a specific task or group of tasks. This helps you focus on one thing at a time and reduces the mental load of switching between tasks. To start time blocking in Google Calendar, open your calendar and click on a time slot. Let's create a block for your most important task first. Click on the Create button, choose Event, then enter the task name, such as Project Work. Set the duration for how long you plan to work on this task. It's important for you to be realistic about the time you need. Color coding your blocks can help you quickly see what type of tasks you have planned for the day. In the event creation window, select a color for your block. For example, use blue for work tasks, green for personal activities, and yellow for breaks. This visual distinction helps you organize your day better. Don't forget to block out time for breaks and personal activities. This is crucial for maintaining your productivity and well-being throughout the day. Create a new block for a break or personal time. Label it Break or Exercise and set the duration. Use a different color to differentiate it from work tasks. Regular breaks help you stay focused and avoid burnout. It's also helpful to set reminders for each block to stay on track. In the event creation window, set a reminder notification. You can choose to be reminded 10 minutes before the block starts or any time that works best for you. This ensures you are prepared to transition to your next task. Traditional time blocking has limitations, as it often neglects to account for fluctuating mental energy, or what Dave Meyer calls focus fuel. Scheduling tasks based solely on importance or urgency can lead to overcommitting, rigidity, and increased stress. To optimize time blocking, consider your mental energy levels throughout the day. Assess your tasks and their required mental energy levels. Schedule deep focus tasks during peak energy periods and save low focus tasks for when your energy dips. In Google Calendar, plan your day by matching tasks to your typical mental energy fluctuations. For example, block out time for intensive work in the morning if that's when you're most alert. Schedule routine tasks or breaks during periods when your energy is lower. Allow flexibility in your schedule to accommodate unexpected changes in mental energy or unforeseen interruptions. Be ready to adjust tasks as needed. Track your progress and monitor your mental energy levels throughout the day. Use this information to fine-tune your time blocking approach. Time blocking can be a game changer for your productivity and focus. By planning your day in advance and dedicating specific time blocks to tasks, you can manage your time more effectively and reduce stress. Remember, these techniques can be applied to any calendar program, not just Google Calendar. The principles of time blocking remain the same, regardless of the tool you use. Thank you for watching. Start implementing time blocking techniques today to boost your focus and productivity.